Mr. David,
Yes, sir.
it's up to you. Thank you very much for being here.
Okay, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, good morning, everyone. I'm David from Advansol Company. So now you have our company profile. We're mainly focused on module level power electronics like rapid shutdown devices and PV optimizer for rooftop, mainly for rooftop solar system. And here we have our products here. So I will give you a very brief introduction. We have 3 different products. So the first is our RSD. So have you ever learned about RSD before? Do you know this devices? Not yet. Okay. So it's mainly for the safety. Okay, to ensure the safety of the PV system, because without these kind of devices, like the normal rooftop solar system, as long as there is a sunlight to the PV panel, so there will always be power output. So the inverter, it can shut down the AC high voltage, but it cannot shut down the DC high voltage. So which means in the daytime, as long as there is a sunshine, there will always be high DC voltage in the PV array, in your rooftop area. So once for example, there's fire happens, and even though the firefighter is there, they cannot, directly, shoot the water because there's a high DC voltage. You cannot shut down. It's very dangerous. So that's why in this case, the first regulation is put forward by the United States on 2014. So it's a National Electrical Code, and they request for the safety devices to shut down the DC high voltage in the PV system. So now in the Philippines also, especially in Manila, I'm not sure now in Davao they have kind of regulations, but in Manila they all request these devices for the rooftop solar system. And this is RSD only, so it just has one function, to shut down the DC high voltage. And besides this, we also have our second series. This is RSD with monitoring. So with this monitoring function,